Sometimes, through inaction, harm can be done to the company. What is the meaning of inaction? Suppose I have an employee, yes, who has been spreading rumors, who has been gossiping during the office time, who has not been doing the work with commitment. I have delayed and delayed and delayed the process of reprimanding him or rusticating him or removing him or maybe just firing him because of any compassion or things like that. कभी कभी हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाते हैं तो जो लोग उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अफवाहें फैला रहे हैं, काम को रोक रहे हैं, बाकी लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं उनको तंग कर रहे हैं, ऐसे लोगों को रखे रखते हैं. ये इनएक्शन है. जब कोई गलती दिखती है तो उस गलती को निकालना जरूरी है, नहीं तो ये इनएक्शन है. Inaction can do more harm than you can imagine. See big from small. जब आप एक इंसान को झूठ बोलते हुए, किसी चीज को हड़पते हुए, दूसरों के बारे में ना सोचते हुए, कुछ अपने लिए हड़पते हुए, वो स्टूडेंट्स हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो बेहतर होता है कि दूर रहो, स्टे अवे. Do not encourage such activities. The business will suffer. Do not abdicate, delegate. What is the meaning of this? Sometimes people give out work and don't even want to look at it. Wrong. Give out the work, go back and see if it has been done well. That is delegation. You don't have to do the work yourself. You give it out, but make sure it is done well. Select the right raw material, the right people. Do you understand this point? The raw material is the people, the raw material is the people, the raw material is the people. And especially for an organization like ours, loyalty, integrity, responsibility, and reliability, because our organization can scale multifold only if people show integrity and loyalty. Loyalty. Hire someone loyal and the person will grow with you. Loyalty is one of the most important things to grow. If you employ a person whose heart chakra is very small, the person may steal from you or may be a real pain in the neck. Scan your prospective employees before you hire them. It's a very important suggestion. What do? Before you choose employees for a company, scan the average heart chakra of the person for the last 1 year, 3 months or 6 months. क्या करेंगे? जब हम किसी को हायर करते हैं तो हमें उस इंसान के बारे में समझने के लिए क्या करना है? पिछले 1 साल का एवरेज हार्ट चक्रा क्या था? पिछले 3 महीने का एवरेज क्या हार्ट चक्रा था? पिछले whatever, for 6 months, what was the average heart chakra of this person? Scan. A person who has a good heart chakra will not steal. And just don't think marriage or hiring a person, you can change the person overnight. Don't take that effort to do it. You need to set up an organization. Be simply realistic. You cannot take a person with a small heart who has a tendency to steal and then keep repairing him. If you employ a person whose heart chakra is very small, the person may steal from you or may be a real pain in the neck. Scan your employees, scan your prospective employees. It takes only a few people to initiate changes. हमें कोई organization चलाने के लिए 100 लोग 200 लोग थोड़ी चाहिए. You need a handful of people, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Are you understanding the point? Yes. So you don't need 100 people who are right. You need a couple of people who are right, and that is the strategy.